Hello everyone, today we will talk about how volcanoes are formed. How active volcanoes? What are the types of volcanoes? How does a volcano erupt? Lava components. Let's follow a video. Here is some information that you do not know about how volcanoes are active and formed. Which are dangerous to approach. It is also known about volcanoes that they erupt suddenly. So please do not get too close to them. A volcano is a geological structure where magma rises from within the earth. Their origin is usually at tectonic plate boundaries, although there are also so-called hot spots. That is, volcanoes that exist where there is no movement between the plates. To find out how volcanoes form is somewhat more complicated. Therefore, in this video, we will explain everything related to volcanoes and how they are active. A volcano is an opening or rupture in the Earth's crust through which magma or lava is drained from the Earth's interior in the form of lava. Volcanic ash and gas at high temperatures. They usually form at the edge of tectonic plates, and the formation of volcanoes has different processes. An active volcano refers to a volcano that can erupt at any time and be in a dormant state. While there are signs that suggest the existence of a volcano that will erupt, such as smoke rising from the sides of the Earth, and the Earth's crust becomes solid and looks like it's burned. In another case, an active volcano indicates in the same place previously, we see remnants of mucus from a previous volcano indicating that it will erupt again. When you think about the eruption of volcanoes, this causes great terror in the souls, as the volcano causes massive destruction when it erupts. Not to mention the massive environmental pollution that occurs to the atmosphere as a result of the emissions resulting from it. The reason for the eruption of volcanoes is due to the intense pressure and heat in the mantle layer of the globe. And this layer is characterized by the presence of a lot of rocks and molten minerals inside it. So that molten rock rises to the top because of its low density due to heat. If you find any exit, the lava dumps that huge energy into the exit, which causes a rush of molten materials in a way that can be likened to explosions. It is also possible that these eruptions occur as a result of the movement of tectonic plates that exist in the Earth's crust, so that these plates remain in constant motion as a result of their location above the molten materials, which leads to their collision together, forming cracks that allow volcanoes to erupt. The shape of the eruption from the volcano varies according to the viscosity of the rock magma, where the low viscosity magma forms a conical shape, and lava may accumulate in the crater of the volcano, causing the explosion of the formed dome, while the eruption of high viscosity magma has an extended and wide shape. Types of volcanoes. Volcanoes are divided into four main types. Conical volcano. It is the well-known shape of the volcano so that it is conical or elliptical in shape and results from the ejection of lava to the top to fall again near the crater and accumulate to form that conical shape. Shield volcano. It is formed from the flow of volcanic lava, forming layers on top of each other. Composite volcano. They are volcanoes that contain channels that enable molten materials to exit high into the sky at the same time. It has side openings through which the problem leaks, shields and layers that extend for thousands of meters. Volcanic domes. It is a highly viscous lava that forms multiple volcanic domes. Components of lava. Lava consists of a lot of molten materials such as silica, aluminum, oxygen, iron, calcium, magnesium, sodium, phosphorus, olivine, and potassium. In addition to crystals of volcanic glass and volcanic bubbles, and when these molten materials approach the surface of the Earth, their temperature begins to decrease to form crystals. Volcanic is extruded along with other volcanic materials and mud. The negative effects of volcanoes. Volcanoes can pose a great danger to nature through the occurrence of mudslides, or even forest fires, water pollution, and other things, the eruption of volcanoes has negative effects on human health, such as choking and burns, respiratory diseases such as asthma and emphysema, and other diseases that occur as a result of people being exposed to inhaling large amounts of harmful gases such as carbon dioxide. There are approximately 1,510 active volcanoes in the world, and it is believed that there are many active volcanoes on the sea floor, which have not yet been discovered. 1 in 10 people in the world live within the range of dangerous volcanoes. Mauna Loa is one of the largest volcanoes in the world, with a volume of about 80,000 cubic kilometers. Lightning is sometimes seen in volcanic clouds, due to the collision of hot particles with each other, which leads to the creation of a charge. How a volcano is formed. Volcanoes are caused by the eruption of material warmer than its outer surroundings onto the planet's surface, or the Moon, and on the planet Earth, and the explosive material is molten rocks called lava. When it is on the surface, it is called magma when it is in the ground. There are also 3 reasons why magma rises on Earth's surface. Magma rises on Earth's surface when parts of the Earth's crust, known as tectonic plates, move away from one another. Magma rises to fill this void, which leads to the formation of volcanoes under the water. Magma rises when these tectonic plates move towards each other. Part of the Earth's crust slides downwards, and the rise in heat and pressure leads to the melting of this crust, and turning it into magma, it rises to the top. Magma rises in hot spots. These are the regions that are found in the Earth's interior, and work to heat the magma as it becomes less dense and rises higher. Here we have finished knowing how volcanoes are formed. What are the types of volcanism? The components of lava, and how the volcanoes are active. We hope this is useful to you. We meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.